Welcome back to Average Guy's Car Restoration. We haven't heard from Bill in a while. He's been busy showing his cars and winning trophies. But Bill is an engineer, and he loves working on mechanical gauges, classic gauges, and dashboards for all the muscle cars and any car really, especially classic cars. I want to show you a video of a recent dashboard that he restored and calibrated. And I want you to take a good look at it. And if you're interested or you happen to have gauges you need worked on, contact me right down here by my email address. And I'll drop Bill a note and he can get a hold of you. And I think you're going to like what you see. And I know whenever I have an electrical problem, I check in with Bill, and he's more than willing to stop by and help with anything when I need electrical when it comes, because I'm not good with electricity. I've said that a bunch of times to you guys. But anyway, catch the video. If you're interested in having gauges or you got some comments, grab my email right about there, and I'll get that information to Bill. Thanks for watching.
All right, I've got the 1966 Barracuda cluster here on the bench. I just cut the IVR out of the gas gauge and installed an IVR3 from RT Engineering. And you can see here the current's being pulsed almost to an amp. Each gauge has exactly 20 ohm resistance to ground to mimic the senders or the sensors. So temperature is just a little above a half. Gasoline is almost 3/4. And it looks like oil pressure is almost 3/4. So the temperature gauge is the only one that's slightly different. Not really an easy way to calibrate it. So I think this is ready to ship and be reinstalled in the 1966 Barracuda.